Welcome back to Mastering Nihongo Channel!
マスタリング日本語チャンネルへようこそ。This is Kanji Lesson 8.
これが漢字授業8です。Now, let's go into the video!
動画の中へ入りましょ
This is the kanji yama. This is the stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is san.
う。And the kunyomi is 山、
Now, let's go into the vocabulary or
語彙。
yama,
This means mountain.
kazan,
This means volcano.
takusan,
This means many or a lot.
tozan.
This means mountain climbing. 山積み、
This means heap.
富士山、
This means Mount Fuji.
山火事、
This means bushfires.
山形。
This means mountain shaped. Now, let's go into the example sentence.
その二人は売上金を山分けしました。
This means the two people equally divided the sales proceeds. 山沿いのところを歩くときは気をつけてください。
Please be careful while walking along the mountainside.
This is the kanji 入る。This is the stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is new or ju.
And the kunyomi is hai or i.
Now let's go into the commonly used words or
よく使う言葉。
入る、
This means to enter.
入れる。
This means to put in. 記入、
This means to fill in, for example, a form.
収入、
This means income. Now let's go into the vocabulary or
語彙。
購入、
This means to purchase.
気に入り、
This means favorite.
入場券、
This means admission ticket.
入試。
This means entrance exam. 輸入、
This means import.
入手、
This means obtain.
入居、
This means moving into a house.
入金。
This means deposit. Now let's go into the example sentence.
会社で顔認識システムを導入しました。
This means the company introduced a facial recognition system. ある大学で毎年大勢の留学生を受け入れている。
A university accepts a large number of overseas students every year.
This is the kanji 水. This is the stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is sui.
And the kunyomi is 水、
Now let's go into the vocabulary or
語彙。
水、
This means water.
水泳、
This means swimming.
海水、
This means sea water.
洪水。
This means flood. 水道、
This means water service.
排水、
This means drainage.
下水道、
This means sewage.
渇水。
This means water shortage. Now let's go into the example sentence.
災害の時は一時給水が止まった。
This means the water supply was temporarily stopped due to a disaster. 夏の時は水分補給をしてください。
Please be hydrated in the summer.
This is the kanji 話す. This is the stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is wa.
And the kunyomi is 花 or 話。
Now let's go into the vocabulary or
語彙。
作り話。
This means made up story.
話す。
This means speak or talk.
話題。
This means topic.
電話。
This means phone. 世話
This means help or looking after someone.
会話、
This means conversation.
民話、
This means folklore.
手話。
This means sign language. Now let's go into the example sentence.
この映画は実話を元に作られました。
This means this movie was made based on a true story. 昔、国際通話料金は高かった。
In the olden days, international call charges were expensive.
This is the kanji 立つ。This is a stroke order for this kanji. Now let's go into the onyomi and kunyomi of this kanji. The onyomi is ritsu or ryu.
And the kunyomi is た、
Now let's go into the vocabulary or
語彙。
立つ、
This means to stand.
立場、
This means standpoint.
国立、
This means national.
役立つ、
This means to be useful. 対立、
This means opposition.
独立、
This means independence.
設立、
This means establishment.
立派。
This means splendid. Now let's go into the example sentence. 私立学校の学費は高いです。
Private school fees are expensive. 時計をマニュアルに従って組み立てました。
This means I assembled the clock according to the manual.
ナンリー、
ありがとうございます。
Thank you.